My name is Razan Pinandito Satyo. I'm from IUP batch 2024.
Hello, I'm Raden Muhammad Sekiwatur Rahman and I'm from IUP 2024.
My name is Manuel Rizwan Torres. I'm IUP batch 2024.
So we are going to talk about the environmental law in Indonesia, especially the guiding, protecting, and also get the beneficial of environmental law, and also controlling environmental law in Indonesia, especially to get beneficial and legal certainty for the society in Indonesia.
So, besides that, we're gonna know how to finally harmonize the environmental law to the society of Indonesia to finally develop the environmental awareness in the society of Indonesia.
Also, we can know how laws regulate our environmental system in Indonesia.
Environmental law in society is very important to us to guide and protect in our society, especially citizens in Indonesia. We have to guide and protect the environmental law in society. Because of what? Because it can make harmonism in Indonesia, especially in citizens of Indonesia.
So, how we harmonize the environmental law to finally develop the environment awareness to the society of Indonesia? There is several problems in how we develop the society environment awareness in Indonesia, especially this one simple problem with this trash bin. There is no label on this, so we can separate between the type of the trash that we can put in the trash bin. So, how do we do it? How finally we achieve the environmental awareness in the society of Indonesia?
To protect our environmental and do harmonization, because it was regulated on Law Number 32, 2009, due to protecting, beneficial, controlling, and it also the law is changed to Law Cipta Kerja Number 11, 2020.
Finally, harmonize the environmental law to the society of Indonesia. There are three pillars that we introduce. The first one is reduce, the second one is education, and the third one is collective accountability. And here there are several actions that we can do in our everyday life. The first one is fill the water in our tumbler, and second one is turn off the electricity, and the third one is put our trash in the trash bin.
Citizenship of Indonesia have obligation and rights to guide and protecting our environmental system in Indonesia. The negative impact that we didn't controlling and protecting our environmental is first, a lot of people in Indonesia get sick. Second is make a lot of conflict, and the third is make a lot of conflict in the environmental and government issue.
Example, why we must divide our trust and divide trust, and we also can reduce and prevent the bad smell and the aesthetics to see that we have also the aesthetics of trust.
So, how to harmonize? We can see there are three pillars: reduce, education, and collective accountability. And there are several things that we can do in our daily life.
So for the conclusion, from me, to guide and protect the environmental law get a lot of beneficial for the society in Indonesia, especially to make a harmonized and also the controlling of conflict in the environmental and government system in Indonesia.
Also, our laws that already regulate, we can implement it and also do obedience for our daily life in reducing our trash bin and also negative impact.
So that's all from us. Thank you for the opportunity and thank you for the listening. My name is Razan Pinandito Satyo from batch 2024 for IUP.
My name is Raden Muhammad Sekiwatur from batch 2024.
My name is Manuel Rizwan Torres, batch 2024, signing out. Goodbye.
Bye.